Hey my dolls, so it's your girl A here coming at you guys today with a review being brought to you by Junoda hair. They were kind enough to send me out a unit to review for you dolls, so let's go ahead and open up our box, see what we got inside. So here you have a little goodie pack, so it's going to include a satin edge wrap scarf. You're going to get some lashes, you're going to get a edge brush and some stocking caps. And then they included a nice paddle brush. I like the paddle brush is fine, but anyway, you get a paddle brush, and of course you get your wig that's enclosed inside of this gorgeously satin bag. So go ahead, for your protection after you take it out the plastic. I'm gonna go ahead and finish unboxing this for you. So here's the wig. This is gonna be a 22-inch body wave, 150% density, 13x4 frontal unit. This is in the color reddish brown, and as you guys can see, it's a gorgeous color. She has that body wave. Here is your cap construction. You get a total of 3 combs. You have 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and then you have your adjustable bra strap, so to speak, if you know what I'm saying. But anyway, I really like this cap construction. That bra strap comes in handy, trust me, because you do not want to use the combs. Here are your adjustable straps for extra security. And here is what your frontal area is looking like. It's slightly pre-plucked, but not all the way pre-plucked. So I did have to go in and pluck it myself, and that's what I did off camera, just to make it just a little less dense in the front, because she has a lot of density. So here's what the unit is looking like, freshly washed. I'm going to go ahead and get her styled and curled. I'm going to use some bedhead hardhead hairspray. I'm going to spray that on there and start curling her with my flat iron, because I have no clue what I did with my curling wand. So I'm going to use my flat iron and some Mazzani veil spray, just to go ahead and give it some more, just put a little life back into it. And so enjoy the styling portion and continue watching. Don't forget to share, of course, comment. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I will be back, you guys.
Original bad man, oh. I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you want me. My baby. Gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily. Moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey. Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Good figure, can hold liquor. Likes jigger, can mess with her. One me got, run with her. She's a lot, them digger. No man fi waste your time. Say, no man fi catch your vibe. No, them man can get it right. Wait, bad man fi waste no time. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey. Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Alright, my dolls, so I am done styling my Junoda 22-inch, 150% density, 13x4 frontal in this reddish brown color. Like, she is just gorgeously done. Okay, now I did go ahead and cut some layers into it, and I styled her with my flat iron. I went ahead and I laid her down with some even Bond spray, because y'all know this is my favorite one. Like, the yellow can is bae all day. Then I went ahead and I added a wax stick to it. So this is what we are looking like. This is what your lace and your sides are looking like. I kept the style very simplistic. Y'all know me, I'm very basic. Give me a frontal, and every now and then I might go ahead and do like a half up, half down. But for the most part, I love the idea of a frontal because you do have more parting space. You can part it left, right, middle. You know, you can do whatever you want to it. You can wear this in a low ponytail. Like, you do have styling versatility with your frontals, so don't be afraid to style them. But with me, y'all know, like I said, I'm very basic when it comes to styling my frontals. No muss, no fuss. Give me a, you know, I'm going to do a right side part, a little swoops here and there, and then we are good to go out the door, honey, okay? Like, I'm not doing all that extra stuff. Y'all know me, I'm very basic. But however, I will get a little adventurous sometimes. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this texture. The texture is really, really nice. I do like the texture. It's very nice and soft. No tangling, no heavy shedding, very light shedding for this unit. When I went ahead and I washed it, she still kept, you know, the density and the texture was still basically the same. I did go ahead and blow dry it straight because I wanted all the, you know, the body waves to come out, because when I curled it, I didn't want any crimps or anything like that in my unit. As far as tinting the lace, I did go ahead and tint the lace. I did not bleach because I'm not well versed in bleaching. So I did go in with the Even New York tint spray in the medium dark brown. That's what I use for my to tint the lace, and as you guys can see, it tinted pretty good. I do not have any complaints whatsoever. As far as just what I think about this unit, I love it, y'all. I highly recommend it. Of course, all purchase links will be down in the description box. Are y'all feeling this color? Like, anytime I see this color up and down my timeline on any of us, I am definitely loving this color. Like, this color looks good on any and everybody. Like, no matter the style, you can do like a bob, you can do kinky straight, body wave. Like, this body wave is not plain. This body wave is giving me everything that I need, okay? I really have no complaints. Head on over to Junoda Hair. Check them out. Purchase this unit. If you have purchased this unit, definitely tag me in pictures on Instagram or Facebook. That's where you'll find me most. And then also, of course, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and I'm on TikTok as well. So of course, you know, those social media sites, that's where you will definitely find me. Let's talk about this hair though, honey. Comment down below, how do you like how I styled it, things like that. Let me know, like, talk to me, because baby, are you ready for this color? Like, this color is definitely on trend for us girls this fall, and I'm not mad at it because it is so doggone pretty. Oh my goodness, like, oh. But anyway, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this color and style on me. Of course, I will come at you guys with another hair review very soon. And I will talk to y'all later.